Now look at this.
No me fregues.
Oh my God! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought. Yeah? Yeah.
Ai, que cachorrinho bonitinho. Deixa eu fazer um carinho nele, gente. Caralho, é uma pedra, mano.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my trip up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. And I say,
I can't make this shit up.
We got a #1 victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Cow. My friend has gone down. I revived.
love you, and I need you, Nelly, I love you, I do need you, no matter what I do.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
It was amazing to see the response from people and how many dogs we had
Free.
coming in. Things that what we did actually worked.
Say, Mom. Come here. Come here.
Well, the animal that doesn't winds up someone else's la 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 lunch. I'm just saying, I'm back.
Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose.
Oh, just a normal leg rest. Oh.